How would you like to elevate the flavor of a noodle like you've never had? Well, try this Amish noodle recipe. You'll need a 12-ounce package of any noodle that you like. I'm actually using Kelowna style Amish egg noodles today. You'll also need some chicken bouillon or chicken base, chicken stock or broth, and butter. So you'll simply take the butter and you're going to add it to a stock pot that you would normally cook pasta in. And you're not just going to melt it in the pot, but you're actually going to brown the butter. That is the secret ingredient to this recipe. Browning this butter brings out a toasted, richer, nutty, sweet flavor that's going to make this noodle amazing. Once you see the little brown bits in the bottom, then go ahead and add a teaspoon of the chicken base or a bouillon cube. Stir that together. Add 28 ounces of chicken broth or stock. We're going to put the lid on and bring it to a boil. Once it's brought to a boil, then you can add the noodles. I'm adding a whole package today. You could half this recipe if you didn't want to make this many. Add the noodles, push them down into the liquid, put the lid on, bring back to a boil, and then you're going to shut the power off, put the lid back on, and remove them from the heat source. Let them sit about 30 minutes. You can stir a time or two if you'd like. And this is what you're going to come up with, is this moist and delicious noodle. I'm adding a little more butter today for flavor. Just eating them as a side dish is fabulous. I'm going to add a little parsley and pepper. You could add more salt if you wanted to. You could use them, again, as a side dish. You could add protein. You could add cheese. The leftovers are fabulous to put in a soup or a stew. I really would love to see you make this. It's so good.